Hello guys, so tonight I'm going to be folding my mg3. Here it is. So someone requested it and this is what I made. It's the same step as the M60. So if you saw that video, you might be able to make this as well. It's a pretty simple model. And of course, mg3 is the NATO version of the mg42. So the NATO had to all have the same ammo, so they kept the mg42 but have to switch to different caliber than 9mm, 8mm I meant. So yeah, first you need a full sheet of paper. This is a quarter size paper, of course, what I like to use. And you want to fold it in half, just like that. Okay, then you want to fold up these two corners. So you want to take this edge and fold it right up to the top. Make sure the center crease line is on the bottom side and bring this edge up to the top. Okay, same thing on the other side as well. So take this edge and fold it up to the top here. Okay, make a good crease here and good crease on the other side as well. And you want to unfold those two steps right there, and then you want to kind of open this up and fold in this corner, okay, following the crease line. So you're going to make a little water bomb base right here, push this in and fold the crease line that we just folded right before. Okay, same thing as the same thing here. Okay, so fold this corner up and you're gonna fold up the crease line here. Okay, and now you're gonna take this edge right here and fold it right up to the top. Okay, make sure it's centered and make sure the edge match. Okay, and you can check by seeing if these two corners match the corners inside. Okay, okay, and now you're going to sink this think trapezoid or whatever it's called, this piece right here inside. Okay, so you want to open up the whole area like that, and you see that smaller square in the middle. You want to fold up all the crease lines. Okay, this side. Okay, just like that. And now you're going to fold the center portion of it inside. So you see that triangle right here? You want to fold that triangle down. Okay, fold the other side down as well. So follow the crease line, then fold that triangle in as well, and then fold the center crease line. Okay, and spin it around so the longer edge is facing towards you and the shorter edge is facing away from you, okay? Just like that. And now you're going to take this bottom piece right here and fold it right across like this. So this is going to be the pistol grip right there, okay? And then you want to fold this whole thing in half, okay? And now you're going to take this top layer right here and fold it all the way up like so, and make sure the center crease line is facing towards the front, okay? So this is going to be the back side and this is going to be the front side here. Okay, so this is going to be the top cover of the gun. The feed tray, right? So now kind of want to open this up just slightly, and you're going to take this point, this triangle, and fold it downward towards the center crease line right here. But don't pass this center crease line because you're going to be folding this in half, okay? Kind of fold it down in a slight angle like that, and make sure the back edge is kind of 90 degrees to the model, okay? So take this edge right here and fold it right up to the center crease line, okay? And make sure the back edge is 90 degrees to the model and fold it back down. Like so. And then you see this triangle in the back, you're gonna fold that triangle inside, okay? So you see where that corner is? You can kind of pre-crease it first. So fold that triangle back and unfold. Then you want to open up this pocket right here and fold that triangle right inside. Okay, and now you want to open up this pocket right here. Don't fold it all the way down, leave a tiny bit of space. So as you can see here, so you can see just the top of the feature, the cover, the top cover here. Okay, so don't force it all the way down, but just fold it down so you can see just a tiny bit of that top. Okay, and fold it down just like that, and you're gonna put them into these pockets next to it. Okay, fold this one in there, then spin it around to the back side and take that triangle and fold it right in there. Okay, and now you see this corner, you're going to fold it all the way down to this thicker portion right here. Okay, just like that, so you can see that. and then kind of make a dent right here to shape out the stock. Okay, and kind of fold in the bottom portion as well. Okay, and kind of shape that out. And now fold right where that everything is, that where that top cover is. Fold it back like this. Okay, let's turn it over to the back side. And you're going to fold this whole thing in half. Okay, and kind of square it out here. So kind of push this in, push this down a bit. Okay, and now zigzag fold. You see that slant and you see that top corner right there? You're going to zigzag fold right where that top corner is. So, mg3 has that the kind of that circular muzzle brake, and if you want to make a mg42, then it will have that kind of that cylinder muzzle brake, right? So if you want to make a mg42, then you can make that muzzle brake more square-ish, because side view of a cylinder is a square, right? So okay, so you zigzag fold that, and you want to fold this top portion down. Okay, just like that, and try to get it close to the middle as possible. You kind of have to adjust that a bit. And now if you look under here, you see that corner there? You're going to zigzag fold right there as well. So fold this back and fold it back forward just a little bit. Then you see that triangle, that point right there, fold it right up to this top corner, okay? There, unfold. Then you want to open up this pocket right here and fold that triangle right inside. Okay, then you want to fold up this edge right here to make the flash hider. I think that's what it is. And at the same time, you want to fold in this corner as well. So it should look like that. And you want to do the same thing on the top as well. So fold this edge all the way down to that front corner right there. And as you're doing that, you want to fold this back corner as well. Okay, then now you want to push in this back corner in, then get a little bit of that edge so you can make the round muzzle brake. Then kind of dent in the top of that muzzle brake as well. Okay, try to get that circular shape right there. and the flash hider. Kind of shape it out. This might be a little ugly, but I don't know if this one's better or not. Wait, let's see if this one. So you got the point. You have to kind of shape it out best you can. Okay, and here, oh wait, let me kind of fold it down. Okay, so here is my mg3. So yeah, thank you for watching and have a great day.